So, Bkay,
Yeah.
recently there is this surge of AI photograph.
Yeah.
Some argue that, very soon, especially those who do studio portraits,
Yeah.
AI might flash them. But I saw one top photograph. I think for him, could be that he posted it for fun.
Okay.
He was like, I'm using AI, to generate photograph. They should be careful. Oh. What is your take on this trend?
Well, I think AI is here to assist and help us. And it's not only in photography. You can tell that it's everywhere. In the corporate world now, people are finding ways to use it to make things easier for them. Personally, apart from that, so AI is also an assistant to me. Meetings and everything, schedules, and sometimes I even use it to build scripts and all that. So the AI is here to help. Back then, when we didn't have Photoshop and we had to shoot photographs and then, and that is it. Photoshop came and our predecessors, I wouldn't even say predecessors, they don't even like us to say they are out of the game, but the instant people, they had the opportunity to actually learn how to use Photoshop to actually upgrade or editing to upgrade their works. But for some reason, some of them chose not to. And before they realized they were out of the game.
So, Bkay,
Yeah.
recently there is this surge of AI photograph.
Yeah.
Some argue that, very soon, especially those who do studio portraits,
Yeah.
AI might flash them out. But I saw one top photograph. I think for him, it could be that he posted it for fun.
Okay.
He was like, he said something like, I'm using AI, to generate photograph. They should be careful. Oh. What is your take on this trend?
Well, I think AI is here to assist and help us.
Okay.
And it's not only in photography. You can tell that it's everywhere. In the corporate world now, people are finding ways to use it to make things easier for them.
Okay.
Personally, apart from that, so AI is also an assistant to me. Meetings and everything, schedules, and sometimes I even use it to build scripts and all that. So the AI is here to help. Back then, when we didn't have Photoshop and we had to shoot photographs and then, and that is it. Photoshop came and our predecessors, I wouldn't even say predecessors, they don't even like us to say they are out of the game, but the instant people, they had the opportunity to actually learn how to use Photoshop to actually upgrade or editing to upgrade their works. But for some reason, some of them chose not to. And before they realized they were out of the game.
Okay.
So history has already proven to us that if there is a change and you don't join or you don't try as much as possible to understand what is happening, and you stay at one place and then complain bitterly about the thing, then who are you? You're only doing it yourself. So whether AI is going to take our business or not, be part of it. At least know what is happening. Try as much as possible to use take 1 month and do a project for yourself. Explore. If you don't have the money to actually even pay for it, try and use the free trial versions and see what it does to the photograph. As a photographer, with your knowledge, compare the AI output and compare your output and see where in the midpoint where you can join. So my answer to this is that don't bring your ego up and say it will not take my work. You have no idea. These people, the Photoshop that you are using that you are so proud of, AI was already part of it.
Yeah, and it's still part.
Good. The camera that you are shooting, we have something we call AI servo. What do you think AI servo is? Artificial intelligence servo, so that when somebody is coming, the camera can actually track the movement. You are already using the AI. You have no excuse not to be part of it. You understand? So my advice to you is that be a student of the craft. Don't stand back and then shout. When you shout and nobody minds you, it becomes noise. You understand?
Yes.
So
yes.
Whether you like it or not, you are already part of it. Photoshop is AI. When you use sports healing brush, what do you think is happening? It's AI that is happening.
It's not magic.
Yes, it's not magic. So it's already here. Your task is to find how you can incorporate the AI into your daily editing or whatever, however you produce or you process your raw files. Try as much as possible to do that. And you are going to be fine. Don't be afraid that, because even the AI is a bot. The prompt, if you don't know the prompt, is useless to you. ChatGTP is there, but if you don't know what to type there, it's just useless.
If you type rubbish, it
It will give you rubbish, garbage in, garbage out. It's in IT, information technology. So even mid-journey, you go online and you realize that people are doing fancy things. You're laying inside. Look at the whole AI thing. How is it going to help you, the photographer?
But Bkay, so let's say I have about 20 clients.
Okay.
I shot their birthdays for them last year. And this year, about 15 of them posted their birthday photo shoot. Okay. They didn't go to any photographer.
Okay.
They went to a ChatGPT pixels
and then
and I would come out.
Okay.
How a person like that, what should a person do?
Well, that is a big problem for you. If that is your only source of income. But basically, I'm not going to run away from that, because photography is the only thing I do. I don't have any side gig. I don't have any side job. So when I see that, first of all, I wouldn't say I'm afraid, but I would say that I don't even want those clients. You understand? Because we have clients and we have clients. If a client prefers to use his picture and do some small AI and then get an output, then that client, even if you book books, he's not going to pay much. You understand? So, somebody who wants only one picture, take me. How much are you charging that person? Like one picture. So if this guy has find a way to go and do that one picture, what is your problem?
Okay.
What is your problem? You understand? So try as much as possible I would say, to know how to use the software, because it will get to a point that even though they can do it, they will not do it for themselves. They will still need your assistant, because you are the professional, or you are the one who have specialized at that field. So even though they know how to do, for example, I posted a photograph recently using AI, Gemini. That was the first time I used it on my own photograph, standing in front of a BMW, and I even used it as my dip. And then people, I wrote under that I was testing AI, and people were like, "Oh, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. What is the prompt?" And I'm like, even if I show you the prompt, you cannot get the same image. So now what do they do? If I actually want to use AI to assist me, I can either say I'm doing a 1-week course, I'm doing a 20 minutes course, because I understand where
to use it.
I understand what to tell the AI. Give me use an 85 millimeter Sigma lens kind of shot for me. Use this, bring the lightning closer. Give me a Rembrandt. That
one, if you're a photographer,
how can you use it? You understand? Give me a spotlight. Bring me closer. Use a rule of third composition. The client does not know all this.
Yes.
And I'm just sitting in my bed.
Are you a photographer, a videographer, filmmaker, or a content creator? Are you looking for the perfect shot without breaking the bank? Look no further. Christocentric Rentals has got you covered. At Christocentric Rentals, we provide top-notch cameras and gears from the world's leading brands. We have Canon, Sony, Blackmagic, Nikon, and all your industry favorites. Whether it's a wedding, a commercial shoot, a travel vlog, or just a simple shoot, we have the right equipment for you. High-quality lenses, professional accessories, unbeatable prices, and flexible rental terms, all in one place. Visit us today or any other day at Top High near KNUST. You can also call us on the following numbers to make your booking: 0532 670 582 or 0596 844 781. You can find us at Christocentric Rentals on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Christocentric Rentals, professional production assured.
Recently, I've been doing a lot of old photograph restoration, and I'll take my money. My UK clients, you have been sending, Bkay, I'm going to do a funeral this thing for my auntie, and I want you to work on this photograph. I send it to ChatGPT. I tell him, look, maintain the face. Maintain the face. Bring this picture into 4K. I can show you some of them. It's on my phone. Bring this photograph into 4K. When you are done with that, the kente, make it very vibrant. Make the gold solid. Do all these things. Make it bigger. Instead of the 4:3 ratio, bring it wide, make it wider. give me a lens flare from the at this side, do this, and then send me 3 options. And then he sends it to me. And then I send the client in a very short time. The client is like, wow, Bkay.
I love that.
Bkay, this is good. Wow. The client, probably he might think it's AI, but can he do it himself?
No.
No. And I'm using what I know to get what I want.
Hmm.
You understand? So the AI is here to help you. You are only afraid of AI if you don't want to learn. And if you don't want to learn, that means you don't want change. And nature is changing. Everything is changing. So we cannot help you. Even we that we are sitting here, you have been reading, right? The next time you get your hands on any article relating to photography, quickly you read. Because you know that change, you cannot stick to the only...
Exactly.
You have to improve, my brother. Keep on improving. And what are you afraid of?
But then how do you differentiate between an AI generated image and an image that was shot from camera?
Oh.
But sometimes when you generate, there's no tag there that will let someone know, okay, this was generated. How do you differentiate? Some key things we are waiting where the AI normal generated.
All right. So first of all, in the beginning when AI was coming, it was so easy for you to identify because they were not, they were not good with the output.
Okay.
But now, trust me, now it's difficult.
Hey.
Now it's difficult, bro. Where I've entered and I'm sitting, bro, it's difficult. When you're actually paying for the service, is dangerous. The free trials there, they are giving you the ISO camera and it's like this, but the paid ones.
When you pay for it.
What is the name? Something banana.
Nano
Banana, Gemini. They are doing so. Try and put some coins on your credit card, at least 500 CDs. Register something. See what is going on. Don't hide behind and then be shouting. It's not good. AI is no. You'll be left behind. Pay something. Go and see what is happening. If you know what is happening and the gun and the shot is coming, at least you can dodge. But if you don't know what is happening and you are here and you are saying AI will not take your job. AI will not take your job.
Hey there.
The question is, what is that job you are talking about? Are you sure you even have the job? You understand? So I will tell them that, look, it is the same principle. If you are somebody who read the prompt, you realize that 6K, if it's video, give me frame rate 120 frame. You know
that's prompt engineering.
Exactly. You know exactly what you want. So the AI is going to give it to you. It's not like we say AI, so give me somebody that is flying. Then the AI will give you somebody that
please change this picture. I want to be in a suit. In an office.
Those are the ones that the clients are doing. But you, the photographer, you have to be specific. Specific, bro. I'm trying to get some things that I'm coming. Recently, the one that I did is on my phone. But I was like, look, even the suit, I want a monochromatic look with all the elements, all the props in the shot. So there was a background and there was a car and then myself. So monochromatic means I want one color throughout. And I was like, the monochromatic, double colon, cyan. I know the color that I want. You understand? So the client does not know all these things.
Yes.
You know these things. Use them.
Yes. Mastery is key.
Use them and pick a day on your status. You have clients that have been watching. Wednesday is for AI work. And let them know how you are improving in terms of... I know now.
Now you charge them and get the money.
I don't even know why they are making noise and they are running away from. This thing is here to help you.
Oh, I see.
You understand?
So in a nutshell, even in this waves, we the creative photographer, we can still make money from those clients.
The thing was made for you. It was not made for the client. If you start thinking it's for the client, that means you have lost control. It's not for the client, it's for you. You have learned shutter speed. Fine. For example, if we are doing a shot and then we want maybe a shutter speed of 30, 1/30. That means that probably we want to introduce a little bit of blur in the shot.
Yeah.
If you don't type 1/30 or long, if you don't type 1/30 or long exposure shot, it will not come out with output. You understand? You have to tell the client that, you have to tell the AI that I want a long exposure shot. And all of a sudden, the AI knows what you are talking. The AI knows that we are doing probably a shutter speed less than 30 of a second,
Yeah.
how will a client know long
Yeah.
exposure?
Yeah.
You understand? So the AI is here to help you. If you are not using it now, the reason why you are not using it now is because you don't like reading. And if you don't like reading and you don't like to improve yourself and adapt, if it's not AI that is going to take your job, your fellow photographer will take your job. We have photographers that have been shooting one day, you shoot about 5 to 6 weddings.
Yes.
You understand? But no BT baby, photo shoot back when you're Onya. Who be saying then or see we need gadgets. No, Christos so is a rent gadget free. And you work and you ziga or clients need ya or cano. What
Now
in
you
be?
be-
I
yeah.
have a now the available gadgets out there.
Booking and Cassandra.
It's one kasana wonya then when you just say we improve it has nothing to do with the I'm telling my fellow photographers. The for now you call programs I see and you show me some way, you know, because you feel some of the omunye, you know. AI this the same scenario near then. And the question is, are you going to be part of the new happening and you are just going to be do you know the information that is out there? Bro? Do you know who the share who the data now when share in I don't want to mention any but who the share maybe it has nothing to do with in say why are you not following anybody on TikTok? Because I understand the algorithm. The algorithm says that what you follow is what you are interested in. If I go and follow somebody who is dancing and I'm a photographer, what do I expect to get from
Dancing
videos? Dancing videos. If I go and then fine, I might see something that I like. But the moment I tap on it, the algorithm say, oh, okay, so this photographer is interested in selling banana. So I'll start to bring. Meanwhile, you people have probably done, is it the Diary of
a creative?
Diary of a Creative have posted a video, but the algorithm will not send it to me. It will rather send me somebody selling banana because I've go and tap on banana. Algorithm. You have to understand your interest is what we are selling to you on your for you page. So please, I'm telling the photographers, embrace the AI. You cannot even do anything. You just have to embrace it. What can you do?
Okay. So I was here for embrace the
AI.
Peace out.